Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do unboxing of Amazon Echo Plus second generation. So stay tuned. This is a new Echo Plus second generation which Amazon has launched recently, and it has a built-in hub, Wi-Fi enable and with Bluetooth, along with Dolby audio with 3 inches subwoofer. It's integrated with many apps. To name few are Amazon Music, Savan, Ola, Zomato, ESPN, Philips Hue and Cisco LED. So let's go ahead and unbox it. The integrated hub which Amazon provides, I would be talking more about it on my next video. I would be demonstrating how home automation could be achieved using this Echo Plus. This is a power adapter that goes to the wall, and it is of 30 watts. This is an instruction manual that shows how Alexa could be hooked and powered on. Here at the top you can see 4 buttons with multiple microphones set up. And towards the side is a gorgeous black mesh for sound output. At the bottom is your power input and aux out. Base is rubberized to get a better grip. Let's power it up and explore more.
Increase volume. Alexa, increase volume. Alexa, reduce volume.
So this was it guys. Until next time, like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also a big shout out to Amazon.in for bringing in amazing deals and fast delivery.